Alright, so let's see the app menu. So app menu is this 9 dots that you see on the left in a square shape. This is where all users can go and change their apps. So you can also define the order of the apps here, and once you click on view all, so you can see all the apps which are available to the particular user, and they can click on any of the apps and go there. So let's say I want to go to the sales app, I can just click on that and go there, or if I want to switch to service app, I can click there and go there. So this way you can change your apps. You can also see a list of all the tabs which are available. So it is quite possible that you have access to certain tabs but they are not available in your current app. So let's say I want to add campaigns to this particular app, which is our playground starter app. So what we'll do is we'll click on this icon and search for campaign. The other way is that you click on view all and scroll to all the available tabs and find campaigns. So the campaign is here. Click that. So this would add campaign to your app, but this is temporary and this is just one-time option. So this would you would see a cross icon here next to it, and if you cross it, this would be gone away and not be available in the app next time. So now I want to make this campaign permanent here. So how do I do that? I click on this pencil icon here and click on add more items, go to all and select campaign, right, and click add navigation item, right. So this is added here, and then I can click save, right. So now you can see that cross sign has gone away and the campaigns are permanent. So whenever I come back to this app, I would see campaigns tab available, right. Similarly, I can add more tabs here. So let's try adding one more, right. Did the same step, and now I want to bring accounts as the first item, right. So I've just reordered this. I'm just clicking save. So now you can see accounts have come on the leftmost side. This is the first item which has on this particular application. One thing to remember here is that this change is user specific and it's only available to the user who has made this change, who has clicked on this edit icon. If as an administrator I go and make this change, then that would be available to all the users. There's a different process to do it, which we'll see in the following videos. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.